Good day. I'm Michael J. Thompson from New York City. I am a certified professional in Accessibility Core Competencies. I have performed web accessibility audits and usability testing for clients. I am a graduate of devCodeCamp as of January 2023. I had some prior exposure to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and WAI ARIA, which is the Web Accessibility Initiative Accessible Rich Internet Applications. My educational background includes advertising, graphic design, and copywriting. I aspire to support and make web-based digital products accessible for persons with disabilities and for all users in general. I developed this integrated registration tracking system over a 15-day sprint. I will demonstrate all of the calculations required for this sprint and features to consider for future sprints. The technologies that I used in developing this app include Python, Django REST API, and MySQL on the back end, HTML, CSS Flexbox, React, and JavaScript on the front end. I use Postman for API testing and Cypress for automated testing. I worked for 8 years in higher education, 6 of which were in registrar's offices. This integrated registration tracking system is the kind of system that a typical college registrar's office would use. One of the key features of this app is the differentiated user experience. When Alice logs in, she is taken to pages related to her academic progress. We will now log in as Alice, the student, who wants to check the number of credits that she needs to graduate. You will see that Alice's profile already exists in the system as created by another department, namely admissions. When either the employee Guy or the student Alice logs in, the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen reveals a search bar and log out button. This differentiates the user that is logged in from the one that isn't. So Alice has successfully logged in to her profile. By design, she is taken to the transcript of credits, which shows her immediately how many credits she has earned, her current semester, her GPA, and her status being currently en route to a bachelor's degree. She must earn 128 credits over the course of 8 semesters. To date, she has earned 112 credits, so she is currently in the 8th semester. She will be eligible to enroll in 8th semester courses, which I will show you in a moment. These are the courses that she has taken. For every course that she has a grade of A, B, or C, she will have earned the credit value. So you'll see here that the credits earned are 4, the credit value is 4. So she's earned the full credit for the course as she has a passing grade. Credit requirements is a feature, an optional feature for a future sprint. So it is not functional at this time. We will look at the courses for which she is scheduled, and it is blank. She has not yet enrolled in any courses in her 8th semester. So we will see what courses are available to her. Here we have her 8th semester courses. So each one she will take, the credit total will come out to 16 credits, so that when she completes these 16 credits, she will have the 128 credits required to graduate. So we will now enroll her in each of these courses. Oops, I enrolled her twice in the same course. So it's just a matter of disenrolling. We'll go back to her course schedule, and we see that one of the duplicate courses was removed. So we will enroll her in each course only once. An optional feature for a future sprint, which is to have more information on the course. As you see here, it's a gray link. Go back to her View available courses. Okay, so now her schedule is complete for this semester. So she has the 16 credits that she will need to graduate. So we will log out. We will fast forward to the end of the semester. We will have Guy enter her grades. Okay. So Guy is back into the employee portal. He's going to add grades for Alice's course. Again, we fast forwarded to the end of the semester. Alice is looking forward to graduating. So before we do that, let's just take a look to see if Alice might be on the list. Alice should not be and is not on the list because she has not yet earned the 128 credits. This link here is an optional future feature for a future sprint. So going back to the employee portal, we will go to the directory of current students. We're going to look at Alice, who is in her 8th semester. She's currently enrolled in 16 credits, which upon successful completion of those 16 credits, it will increase her credits earned from 112 credits to 128, which would then make her a candidate for graduation. I want to show you very quickly that there are students enrolled with different credit totals and different GPAs. And at the bottom, and at the bottom is the skip link back to top, which is optional for future sprints. So here we have find course for Alice. Transfer credit again, or transfer credit is an optional feature for future sprint. We're going to look for Alice's courses that are ungraded. So we have the graded courses, and then we will have these courses that Alice is enrolled in. So we're going to select 479. That's the course ID. She got an A in the course. Submit the grade. So we're going to update all of Alice's courses with the grades that the teachers submitted to the registrar's office, which Guy is now entering. She received an A. So for course 482, she also received an A. And unfortunately, in course 483, her final course, she will receive an F. Okay, so now we're going to look at the directory and we're going to see how this updated her status. So here we have Alice Dunlap, 8th semester. Her GPA has been updated and her credits earned is now at 124, not 128. The last course that she had taken and was graded, so Alice received an F grade and thus 0 credits for this course. We're going to log out. I'm going to show you that on Alice's transcript, she's now going to see her grades. So as we just saw on the employees in the employee portal, the directory of students, Alice's credits earned updated to 124 credits. She's still in the 8th semester, her GPA, and she still has the status of en route to bachelor's degree. And she's surprised. Why did that happen? So when she scrolls down her transcript, she sees that a grade of F was entered and she received 0 credits out of the 4 credits available for the course. So fast forward 1 week, she's going to contact her instructor and have her instructor resubmit a grade. There may have been a miscommunication of some sort with the instructor in the registrar's office. So she knows that she should have earned an A in the class. The instructor agrees, the instructor resubmits the grade. It's an A, not an F. So now we're going to go to Guy Going back to Guy. We're now going back to Guy. He's going to find Alice. Find course. Let's see that course where she received an F. So here, Guy is now going to change the grade from an F to an A or to a 4.0. Scroll down. Okay, so now Alice receives the full credit value with that A grade. We're going to look and see how it affects her GPA. So here we have Alice. She's in, technically there is no semester 9. That is signifying that she has a GPA that would make her worthy of consideration for graduation. She has the 128 credits. Her classmate, or rather her schoolmate, Faye, has the same number of the same GPA, but that will change once her 16 credits are graded. That's funny. I've never seen that happen before. So let's look at the candidates for graduation. Here we have Alice, who was added to the top of the list, the newest entry, with her GPA of 3.7 and the 128 credits that she has earned. We'll go back to the employee portal and we will log out. We've logged out as Guy. Now we're logging back in as Alice to check her transcript and to see the updates. All right, so here we've logged back into Alice's transcript and we see that her credits earned has updated to 128 credits. She has completed 8 semesters and thus it shows current semester as 9. So her current GPA and her status has changed from en route to a bachelor's degree to eligible for a bachelor's degree. And we see here all the courses that she has taken and those final grades of those final courses that she has passed. And we're going to log out. I hope that you enjoyed watching this demonstration of the integrated registration tracking system. Thank you for watching.